Hello, hairy Fuggler fans. Today we have Munch Munch from the Hairy collection. So yeah, it's interesting. There's an indication of some other ones you can get in there. Down here we have some legalese and the copyright date of 2024. A little color here, some extra Chinese stickers. I got this from AliExpress. A little logo there, and this one is new as it is still taped by the two dots here. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to get this thing open without tearing the box. There we go. Open with caution. Alright, well, it's a very vibrant orange. Kind of reminds me, well, at least this orange reminds me of like those traffic cones. And it's a medium plush pile. Fur kind of thing here. It feels like a really soft carpet. And then barely any indication of legs, but good indication of arms in this design. And then we have a crooked mouth in this case, but I like it. I'm not sure if that's intentional, but it makes it look more natural, not being perfectly aligned. And we have 2 rows of teeth. It looks like we have maybe 6 up top, and then there's one over here. 8 on the bottom. You can barely see the molars here on the bottom row because the hair is getting in the way. Boy, when you have 2 rows of teeth, I find that's the mouth to be really tight. There's like a piece of plastic joining all the teeth, so it's actually a lot firmer than you would think. Yeah, that's actually quite painful. So maybe not the best for jamming your finger in there, but you can jam objects in there. And it's just gnawing on a ruler there. Alright, well, this one's got a little bit of extra string, so luckily I have to have some sewing scissors. You can get really tight in on that. Alright. And then the hairy part of this is this giant unibrow. I think it's pretty funny looking. Oh boy, more string over here. Huh, that string is coming from inside. Yeah, this unibrow, it almost looks like it's metallic. Something about it is catching the light, and it looks like it's metallic, or like maybe some threads are clear. There's a shininess to the hair in certain parts of it, so that's interesting. But yeah, you can get the unibrow. It doesn't really obscure the eyes. It doesn't really block the eyes, so that's good. Unfortunately, the eyes just look like they're black because the pupils are so big and the slits in the eyelids are so small, but usually there actually is color in the eyes. I think they're blue in this case. I don't know if you can see that little bit of blue there, right? It's just that the eyelids are just so big. I mean, they're so, the slit isn't big enough. Yeah, the pupils are huge. I really wish they went to smaller pupils so you could see more of the color in the eyes. Well, anyways, the eyelid is sewn on nicely on this orange felt. And I guess that's it for the front side. Then I guess this is a chase because it's not a standard tan color button. It's a brown one. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Here we have the copyright of 2024, and then the other tag and side are all Chinese stuff. Alright, so all in all, that looks pretty neat though. It's a unibrow. This one's coming around 21 centimeters, I would say. They're listed as like 22. It looks like it has like a grin, you know, because half of the mouth is blocked away. I do have 2 other hairies here. We have Old Tooth. Sadly, the mustache on this one, it is a little bit too askew for my liking. And also the mustache covers up pretty much a whole row of teeth there. So, yeah, I kind of wish I had the original one, but I'm not sure if I want to buy it. And it does have 2 mismatched eyes, but that's actually pretty common, it seems, according to another commenter that has the same kind of figure. This one's called Gnawing Terror from the lineup, and it's got like a Justin Timberlake kind of hairdo there. And then, yeah, it's just an upper row of molars. But this one has really human-like eyes as well. So these two, you know, with the humanoid-like eyes, they just look cooler, I think, instead of just a black void. So I think they really got to revisit these black eyeballs and change them to have the smaller pupils. But as you can see, they all have extra hair that you wouldn't find on a normal Fuggler. So that's why the line is called that. Now let's see about the button on this. Yeah, so the button on this is your standard color. Same with this tan. So yeah, this must be a chase one, being brown. So I lucked out. So pretty neat. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see if I get any more of these hairy ones in. I did review, I think, a Sir Belch one as well, but I don't know where it is right now. Okay, I'll definitely get more Fugglers. We'll see you then. Bye.